Welcome to Petra, the breathtaking ancient city carved from rose-red stone, hidden deep within Jordan's desert mountains. Join us as we explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site, uncovering the secrets of its iconic landmarks, rich history, and timeless beauty. Hidden deep within the desert mountains of southern Jordan lies one of the world's most extraordinary archaeological wonders, Petra. A city carved from sheer rock faces over 2,000 years ago, Petra is a marvel of ancient engineering, art, and culture. Often called the Heroes' City due to the pinkish hue of its sandstone cliffs, Petra is a place where history and nature converge, transporting visitors back to the time of the Nabataean Kingdom. Before reaching Petra's most famous landmarks, visitors must first pass through the Siq, a natural geological wonder. This narrow, winding passage stretches for over a kilometer, with towering cliffs on either side. The Siq is not just a stunning gateway to Petra, it's also historically significant, as it once served as a vital trade route for the Nabataeans, who controlled the ancient caravan routes. As you emerge from the Siq, you are greeted by one of Petra's most iconic symbols, Al-Khazneh, or the Treasury. This monumental structure, carved directly into the rock, stands over 40 meters tall and is believed to have been a royal tomb or treasury. Its intricate Corinthian columns and detailed carvings are a testament to the Nabataeans' advanced architectural and artistic skills. Al-Khazneh's beauty is most breathtaking at sunrise or sunset, when the sun casts a golden glow on the red and pink sandstone. It's no wonder that Petra has earned a spot as one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But Al-Khazneh is just the beginning of Petra's mysteries. The ancient city covers an area of around 264 square kilometers, and archaeologists estimate that only a fraction of it has been uncovered. As you venture deeper into Petra, you'll come across countless tombs, temples, and structures, all hewn from the natural rock formations. One of Petra's most impressive structures is the Monastery, or Deir. Perched high on a hill, the monastery is even larger than Al-Khazneh, standing 50 meters wide and 45 meters tall. The hike to the monastery involves climbing nearly 800 steps, but the effort is well worth it. At the top, visitors are rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabataean Kingdom, which flourished between the 4th century BC and the 1st century AD. The Nabataeans were masterful traders, amassing wealth through their control of the incense, spice, and silk trade routes that passed through their territory. Petra became a major hub of commerce and culture, attracting influences from across the ancient world: Greek, Roman, Egyptian, and Arabian. After the Roman Empire annexed Petra in 106 AD, the city continued to flourish for several centuries before gradually falling into decline due to changes in trade routes and devastating earthquakes. By the 7th century, Petra was largely abandoned and forgotten by the Western world, only to be rediscovered by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt in 1812. Today, Petra is a major tourist destination, drawing nearly 1 million visitors annually. Exploring Petra can take an entire day, or even multiple days, as there's so much to see. Whether you're wandering through the ancient tombs or climbing the peaks for panoramic views, the city offers countless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Petra is also home to the Bedouin people, who have lived in the region for centuries. Visitors can experience their rich cultural heritage by enjoying a traditional meal or taking a camel ride through the vast desert landscapes surrounding the ancient city. One of the most magical experiences in Petra is the Petra by Night event, where the city is illuminated by thousands of candles. As the flickering lights dance off the walls of Al-Khazneh and traditional Bedouin music fills the air, visitors are transported to a time long past, feeling the enchantment of this ancient world. It's moments like these that remind us why Petra is considered a true wonder of the world, a place where history, architecture, and natural beauty blend into one awe-inspiring experience. Petra is more than just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of one of history's greatest civilizations. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or simply someone in search of beauty, Petra is sure to leave a lasting impression on your soul. So, if you ever find yourself in Jordan, be sure to explore the magnificent Rose City and uncover the secrets of this ancient wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Petra, Jordan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible travel destinations around the world. See you in the next adventure.